Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a home hubby and baby empties for you guys. If you haven't seen these from me before, it's where I share with you kind of cleaning products, hand soaps, stuff my husband has been using, stuff my son, who is about 2, is using, what we're using on him. So if you're interested, then keep watching. I also do beauty empties as well, which is more like skincare, makeup, hair care for me personally. That's in a separate video, so I'll link that playlist and this playlist down below for you guys who are interested in seeing more. But let's just jump into my big bag and see what I got in here. So first thing is a baby product. This is the Baby Organics Bubble Bath Fragrance Free, and I love this stuff. I always have this. I purchased mine from The Grove. You can also get it from Amazon, I believe. Anything that I have, I'll link down below. A lot of these are like family favorite essential pieces, and this is definitely one of them. It does really good bubbles in the bathtub. It definitely doesn't have like, if he gets it in his eyes and stuff, he's not like rubbing and crying, like it's not burning or anything like that. So I definitely recommend you check this out. You can even use this for yourself in the bathtub. I have done it before, so I definitely recommend this, and I already have a backup of it. A hubby product, he uses the Head and Shoulders. This is the Classic Clean 2-in-1 dandruff shampoo and conditioner. He just uses this all the time. I don't remember a time he hasn't used this, like since before high school, and as long as I've known him, he's been getting this. So tried and true, loyal customer of this product. He loves it. I have the 7th generation. This is the dishwasher detergent packs. I love how easy this is to just throw in my dishwasher. Each time there's like a little pod that I just throw in. You don't have to measure anything out or anything like that. So I really like getting these. It cleans my dishes just fine. I have a hand soap here. This is from Bath and Bodyworks. This is the Cozy Vanilla Cream, Whipped Frosting, Sweet Vanilla, and Vanilla Bean. I really like the scent. Any of their vanilla scents in general, me and my husband are big fans of it. So I will continue to get this whenever it is out seasonally, or if it's out all the time. I like to buy their anything vanilla pretty much related. Big jug here of the Tide Free and Gentle dermatologist tested. This is laundry detergent, and I have a HE high efficiency washer, so we get that on it, and constantly I'm repurchasing this. I've switched to the Free and Gentle unscented kind of version of this when I had my son about 2 years ago, and will constantly repurchase it. I have a body wash here for my hubby. This is the Bath and Bodyworks Ocean Scent 2-in-1 hair and body wash. He uses this just for his body wash. I really like the scent on him. Blue Cypress, Vetiver, and Coastal Air. This is his favorite one. I've tried a couple other ones here and there, but this is definitely one that he wants every time we go out and buy him some. A body wash for my son. I have the Earth Mama Baby Sweet Orange Baby Wash. This just smells so good. I love this. It has natural ingredients. It has a pump, and it does foam up, which is really fun. He likes to kind of put it on his body and wipe it off as well. So this is really nice. And again, one of those tear-free kind of things. I haven't noticed that it has bothered him if it gets on his face or anything like that. So we'll continue to purchase this. Another body wash for my hubby. He has another Ocean one in here. I have a sunscreen that we use. This is the Copper Tone Stay Strong When You Sweat Sport SPF 50, I think. Yeah. My hubby uses this all the time. I'm not a big fan of Copper Tone. For me, I like getting the Coola sunscreens. Those smell better and are a little bit more better ingredients, but we always pack this for him, so I have an empty of that. I have a Crest toothpaste. This is the Pro Health Whitening. My hubby loves this. I've tried to get him on the Tom's of Maine, like the natural whitening toothpaste. He is not a fan of it, so I always have to get him some Crest whitening toothpaste. Some more hand soaps. I have the 'Tis the Season from Bath and Body Works. It is a blend of red apple, ground cinnamon, and clove. This is my favorite Christmas scent during the holidays. I love this over like Twisted Peppermint and all that kind of stuff, so I'll always get 'Tis the Season. Another vanilla scent is the Vanilla Cloud, and I really loved the packaging of this one as well. It's more opaque in color. It is whipped vanilla, apple blossom, and sandalwood, so really like that one. Then I have from Bath and Body Works still. I always love their hand soaps. This is the Sunlight and Apple Trees. Anything apple related with Bath and Body Works is a must-have for me and my family. We love them. This is Crisp Apple, Autumn Leaves, and Creamy Musk. Highly recommend that one. And then this next one is Snowkissed Citrus, and it is sugared mint, frozen verbena, and lemon zest. This one was okay. I don't think personally I would go out and repurchase this one. It just was a little bit more herbally than I like. As you see, I like the apple, sugary, vanilla-y type stuff. So this one was a little bit different for me. I like their kitchen lemon, but this one, I guess it was maybe the mint that I wasn't a big fan of. That is everything for this home empties. You can see we have been using quite a bit of hand soap due to, you know, what's going on in the world. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'll leave 2 videos down below for you guys who are interested in more. I do a lot of Bath and Bodyworks stuff here on my channel, so be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll talk to you in my next one.